The punter is Adam Gonzalez, 33-yard average against Lelehua last week, and this is a dandy all the way back about at the 30-yard line. A big-time block, and running with the ball is Micah Molina, and Molina across the 50 inside the Waipahu 45-yard line, with this crowd abuzz about a big hit.
26-yard return. Bradley just laid one of the heaviest KATOOSHs you've ever seen at Allure Stadium. What they call this a crackback block. Watch this play develop right here. Watch number 50 coming into your screen. Not yet now. Watch the right side of your screen. Watch right here. Watch this. Real good return, real good blocking. Take one more look at it. Here's number 50, Bradley. Put his whole body in that one.
That was a vicious hit down there, and he laid the lick on Kaiser Lauti, perhaps the leader of that Waipahu defense, number 44, the inside.